In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for IT asset management. This versatile platform can streamline asset tracking, optimize your support processes, and truly transform the way you manage IT resources. Whether you're new to Monday.com or you've been using it for a while, this guide is designed to equip you with practical insights to maximize your efficiency. To get started, we'll first head over to the Monday.com work platform. Simply open your web browser and navigate to their website. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to appreciate the clean, user-friendly interface designed to help teams work seamlessly together. You'll notice various options up top, but for today's focus, we're diving into specifics for IT and support services. Next, go ahead and click on the Products link. This will guide you to a comprehensive overview of what Monday.com offers, tailored to meet the varied needs of different business functions. Once in the Products section, select For IT and Support. This choice is crucial as it directs us to the area of the platform that's specifically built to cater to IT management solutions. From here, I recommend exploring the Partners section. Why? Because partnerships often unlock additional resources and integration opportunities that can enhance your asset management capabilities. You'll find insights on collaborations that open doors to more dynamic uses of the platform. Pricing comes next. Click on the pricing link to find a plan that best fits your business size and requirements. By reviewing the pricing structure, you can choose an option that aligns with your budget while still offering the features essential for robust IT asset management. Monday.com also highlights the power of AI in elevating your IT management. Under the section AI, at your service, discover how artificial intelligence can automate repetitive tasks, like support ticket handling, thereby freeing up your team to focus on more critical issues. Then, follow up by exploring the Holistic Service Management feature, which discusses the all-encompassing approach to managing various service aspects. This section illustrates how the platform allows you to tailor processes to fit your specific needs, ensuring that every facet of service delivery aligns seamlessly with business objectives. Why stop there? Dive deeper by viewing a demonstration in the See Monday Service in Action area. This visual guide provides a realistic perspective on how all pieces come together, making your workflow more intuitive. Next, the integration capabilities are essential to streamline operations. Under Integrate your support channels and business tools, review options for linking Monday.com with existing systems. This can significantly enhance efficiency by creating a smooth data flow between tools. Finally, for those seeking custom solutions, talk to an expert for enterprise service solutions. Leveraging expert advice ensures your platform configuration meets enterprise-level requirements, an invaluable resource for scaling businesses. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering IT asset management using Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information helpful in optimizing your management systems.